Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your age on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Updating your age cannot be adjusted within your Shopify admin. All right. So in order for you to adjust your age for verification, this will need to be done by the internal team. Even if you go to the settings right here, click on that. Even if you go to your account here on the top right corner, you see there's no option for you to be able to change that. All you have to do is click on the help center. And we need to create a support request. This is one of the recommended as your account will need to be authenticated when communicating with support. All right. And from here, you can type in your questions on the chatbot to see if you get an answer. Otherwise, go to the your account section. Click on the contact support. All right. And just wait for it to load. Once you've done that, you're in line to chat with a support advisor. And then if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you wanted help in changing your age here in Shopify. For example, you might have put the wrong age and cannot verify your account. All right, so you can tell them and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.